Alright, it's go.
Yay!
Yay!
Welcome to Chopping Block, guys. I'm Chop.
And I'm Block.
We'll
Totally.
tell you why later when we give a shit.
Yeah, well. Ooh.
Holy shit, that's a lot of block.
This has been fucking forever. Let's use that one. Wait, where's...
How the hell do I say hi?
What the fuck did you just do?
Oh. Oh shit.
What?
I think it's just me, bro.
Oh, it is? Shit, go ahead. Yeah, just go ahead and fucking play. I don't care.
Yeah!
We were
Get some in the neck!
We were gonna play a multiplayer game, but yeah, okay.
I don't know what the fuck happened. Hey,
Well.
I quit that shit! Yeah! Spank your ass! What the hell is this?
Oh, this is off to a great start.
What the... Where the hell is the fucking start? Hey, there it is. Jesus. Who is that bitch?
Go over
Game.
to... Yeah, just quit.
Quit.
Let me fucking navigate the menu.
How does 2 players start? I was just trying to find the damn start button.
Long way down.
Who puts it on the left fucking joystick?
Let's see. Wait, these are...
Who came up with a shit?
Let's see. Can we go
Should we
back?
just start a new game?
We went to single player instead of multiplayer.
Cooperative.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, I guess.
There you go.
Oh no, I'm playing with like a shitty ass. God. I think I was Bond. I don't know if Jacob was Bond or James.
Oh.
You gotta click load. Go up the load. Jesus Christ. Go down there. Yeah. Because me and my brother were so cool back then.
Yay.
Alright. How do we...
Oh,
I guess we... Yeah, just choose James. Yeah. We load it and then choose it. I always played it.
my name is Fing.
Fiend. Lotus. Suggs.
Lotus. The only one that fucking makes sense. Regina George. Mean girl this shit all day.
Oh my god. Oh. Well, I guess all the, Oh, wait. Standalone mission, chapter mode. Individual play individual...
Chapter mode.
Fuck it. I don't fucking know which one to choose.
Well, here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
All right.
Oh, I'm ready. Who the fuck is that?
Well, we just gotta kill him, I guess. I really do like this game. I played...
Oh, shit.
That was a sniper. Okay, I think you press R. Oh my god, we're getting shot at.
B is the die.
I don't remember how to use any of these controls.
I found the start button.
Oh shit, someone's
Okay,
coming. Someone's coming. We're getting... I don't know, is there an auto lock? I think I'm killing him. I don't think I killed him. How do you... Oh... When there's an enemy, you press... Jesus Christ. You pressed, Press L to lock on.
How the fuck do I switch back to my,
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna die. Legend myself to the out of this.
This is a fucking RPG, holy shit.
I got you. I got you. I got him.
Is this the fucking part
shit.
you guys are stuck on?
I don't think... Maybe. I don't fucking know.
Hey! Good.
Maybe. I don't... Jesus Christ. This might have been it.
I got the elevator. Fucking hurry up.
Well. We failed that mission.
Regina lives again.
What were we supposed
Maybe
to...
we should start on mission 1.
Is this... God.
I'm pretty sure this is not mission 1.
Jesus. Because there's more chapters and we never got to the...
Oh, shit.
Play an individual mission. In the
There we go.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
fucking wonders.
We're on the last level.
Oh my god.
Well, that explains why we were getting our ass kicked. Oh, I see a red dot. Red dot on that map.
I'm all crouchy. Well.
Get over here and press the button. I think it's like a joint effort.
Got it.
Your cover was blown. Maybe I wasn't supposed to shoot him.
Oh, can't handle my grabs.
By the way, when you lock onto people, and you can move the cursor to where you can get headshots. Well,
Got him.
I'm out of ammunition, so I'm just gonna oh. Oh, God.
We fucking suck.
Oh, this is lovely.
How do I use the heal
Jesus
button?
Christ. I don't know what the heal button is, and I'm just...
Oh shit, don't dive into the fire.
There's a way to... How do you... No. There's a way to get on the... Like, just hump the wall or something. There it is.
The fuck is the button?
Press, like, the bumpers or something. That's the start button.
There we go.
Alright, and then you can, like, still target with the L button and, like, just get them.
Headshot, you stupid bitch.
Still waiting on you. Still waiting on you. Come on.
How the fuck do I switch my weapons?
I don't know. With the D-pad. Please take care of him.
Oh, shit,
Press the fucking button. Shit.
Oh, it is the D-pad.
Oh.
Why the fuck are we not... Oh, shit, what the fuck? Who the fuck are you?
I got him. I got him.
I'm coming.
Give me that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. How do you select it? I want to play with that. I want to play with that one. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh, Jesus. Why not?
So fucking worth.
Oh my God, it was worth. There's still like another guy with an RPG or something. Well, it's not an RPG, but it's just. I got him. I got him. I got him. You can seriously just run in and just shoot. I'm just kick his ass. Kick his ass. I got him.
You have like one health.
No
left.
health. Okay, where's that guy at so I can kill him? Oh.
Right there. That's where he is, right there.
I am your god. Gets killed instantly. Ah, God. No! Okay. We're good?
Oh shit.
Alright, here we go. And I'm dead. How many lives I got left? Does this have a life counter? Or...
Yeah, there's 9.
Oh, well. Is it...
Come on. Hey!
Alright, I'm coming
Big
back.
boy.
I'm coming back with the ultimate weapon. What the...
Is there a reason I can target this?
Is there? Hold on.
Oh shit! I got a sniper, bitch! Fuck yeah!
Hold on, I can blow it open. That took care of the problem. Oh, apparently he didn't. Got him. Totally got him.
Threat neutralized.
I love how... I just love how, shit. I just love how you're not...
Oh shit, there's a sniper right the fuck there, no wonder.
Oh. You can take cover and I just go in with the rocket launcher. Oh gosh. You know, Adam, it's like almost 10 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. I think this is the end of the level, actually. Just hit the button. Well, maybe. I don't know. Yeah!
Hey, we
Look
did
at that.
it!
It took us... Well, not even 10 minutes to actually do the mission, but hey. Oh. So,
How close are we?
Oh, it's a little past 10 minutes. So.
Oh shit!
Yeah. All right.
Well, I guess we'll see you guys next time
Yeah.
on another exhilarating James Bond playthrough.
Oh, but why is it taking fucking forever to load? Bye-bye!
This message is brought to you by loading screens.
By the darkness that consumes my heart. Okay.
Bye.